everyone. Today we're going to show you the DadWare Skin to Skin Kangaroo shirt. This is a product that was made by dads for dads. I'm not a dad, but I am a mom and I did practice skin to skin with my babies. And I have a little baby I get to borrow today. This is Brennan. Little Brennan here is just 3 months old. So just outside of that 4th trimester now. But he's still super itty bitty, and we really believe in the benefits of kangaroo care, which is that practice is skin to skin. I have the DadWare shirt on, and underneath it I have another shirt. But if you were a dad that's looking at this product, all you would do is you'd put it on. And this is a product that allows you to be skin to skin with baby, but for you to be a little bit warmer. So you're going to want to use the product sitting down or in bed. It's not going to be a hands-free option. Let's get you in. Hi. And all you would do is you would unvelcro it. Oh, you are so squishy. Squishy, squishy, squishy. There we go. And then just place the fabric up around you to a point where it's comfortable for both you and baby. This is a size medium, so it's a bit big on me, and again, it's made by dads for dads. So on a man, it's gonna fit them really nicely, and on me, it's just a little loose. But you can see here, baby gets to be up against your chest. It instantly soothes them, and when you're able to be skin to skin, it releases oxytocin for both of you. So this is the DadWare shirt. They have sizes small through 2XL, so they'll fit a wide variety of caregivers. It is a sized product, so you'd pick the size that's great for you. It costs just under $40, and they also have products made for women as well. So for getting out of the shirt, all you would do is just release the Velcro, and you pull baby out, just like so. And then you're good to go.